scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economies of scale can be tricky to visualize on a graph, but we can solve this quickly by looking at how average costs actually change. First, economies of scale mean that as a firm expands its total output, the long-run average cost starts to drop. This creates a downward sloping section on our cost curve graph. Next, we hit diseconomies of scale where expanding further actually causes the average cost to rise again. This shift means the curve must start heading back up as production increases further. Combining these phases creates a classic U-shape. Moving down then up matches the description in option C. That is our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given definitions and check your steps carefully.